Lyft car seat policy. Lyft offers car seats in certain markets to provide safer rides for families traveling with young children. However, availability and requirements vary depending on location and specific policies. 1. Does Lyft offer car seats? Yes, Lyft provides car seats in select cities. The car seat option is usually available in larger metropolitan areas, primarily in cities like New York. Riders can request a car seat for children within a specified age and weight range. 2. How to request a car seat. To request a car seat through the Lyft app, open the Lyft app. Enter your pickup and drop-off locations. Select the car seat option if available in your city. Confirm the ride and wait for a driver with a car seat. 3. Availability of car seats. Car seats are not available in all cities. As of now, Lyft primarily offers car seats in New York City. If you're traveling elsewhere, it's best to check the app for availability or contact Lyft support. 4. Car seat requirements. Lyft's car seats typically adhere to the following guidelines. Suitable for children who are at least 2 years old. The child should weigh between 22 and 48 pounds. Height should range from 31 to 52 inches. 5th, car seat type provided. Lyft generally provides forward-facing car seats that meet safety standards. These seats are appropriate for toddlers, but may not accommodate infants or older children who need booster seats. 6. Additional cost for car seat. Lyft typically charges an additional fee for rides with car seats. The exact amount varies by city, but is usually around $10 on top of the standard fare. 7. Car seat safety guidelines. Parents and guardians are responsible for ensuring that the child is properly secured in the car seat. Drivers are not permitted to assist with securing the child due to liability concerns. 8. Alternatives for cities without car seat options. If Lyft doesn't offer car seats in your location, consider bringing your own portable car seat. Using other rideshare services that might offer car seats. Exploring family-friendly transportation services. 9. Lyft's policy for infant riders. Lyft does not provide rear-facing car seats for infants. If traveling with an infant, you must bring your own car seat and ensure it meets local legal requirements. Lyft's car seat option is a convenient service for parents traveling with toddlers, especially in cities like New York. However, availability is limited, and preparation is crucial when traveling with young children.